In this video, I'll show you how to reserve a hotel on booking.com. Now, of course, to reserve a hotel, all you need to do is book one. So what you're going to do is make sure you are on the stays button, make sure you've selected your area, the start and end time of your stay, and how many people are going to be staying, all done over here. And when you're done, hit search. Now here's where you'll pick your hotel. So I'll just pick the Radisson Hotel over here. And over here is where you'll get all the information on the hotel. You can see reviews and scores and so forth. And when you're ready, just hit see availability. In here, you have your options for different rooms. So I'll just go for a standard room. And as you can see, they have a discount for 2 adults instead of 1 adult. And all the stays here are for 2 nights. So I'll need to click on one of the circles for one of these. And then when ready, we're just going to click on next step. Here you can set your preferences for beds. Hit confirm. Now, if you've not yet put in your personal information, they'll ask you for your personal information here. And that screen does not allow for recording. So I'm going to just explain to you how it's going to go. So if this is your first time, you'll put in all your personal details. And on the next screen, you'll be prompted to put in all your card details and then confirm payment. Now, when you're done, they'll send you all your information via email, and you will use that when going to the actual hotel as your reservation. And that room will, of course, or rooms depending on what you've booked, will be yours and reserved until whatever date you have set. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.